Welcome to Swarna Raisins, where tradition meets innovation in the heart of agriculture excellence. With over a decade of experience in grape cultivation and raisin production, we have established ourselves as a trusted name in the industry, dedicated to delivering the highest quality raisins to our customers. Our journey began with a passion of farming and a commitment to quality. Understanding the importance of a great tasting nutritious raisins, we have meticulously crafted our processes to ensure that every raisin meets the highest standards of freshness and flavor. Our state of art or processing plant is equipped with the latest technology, allowing us to maintain the integrity of our product from farm to table. At Swarna Raisins, we believe in more than just producing raisins. We believe in crafting a legacy of excellence. Our fully automated raisin washing and packaging line, combined with the advanced sorting technology and cold storage facilities, ensures that our raisins are not only delicious but also safe and healthy. We are proud to serve both business to business and business to customer markets with our products available on major platforms like Amazon, where they have received outstanding feedback from customers. Our commitment to quality is reflected in every aspect of our business. All our products undergo stringent taste tests for framed by FSSI and NABL, ensuring they meet the highest standards of safety and quality. We take pride in our role as a farmers and entrepreneurs dedicated to bringing the best of our harvest to your table. So join us in celebrating the rich heritage and the bright future of Swarna regions, where every bite is a testimony to our dedication and expertise.